What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we are going to be dividing with negative fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it so it looks like my fractions. And then anytime I have a fraction divided by a fraction, I keep this first fraction the exact same. But we can't divide by a fraction, so we can only multiply with fractions. So what I'm going to do is this next fraction, I'm going to flip it. And then the next thing I do is I'm going to change them from division to multiplication. So it's going to be a keep, change, flip. Then it's like our previous lesson where we multiply the tops and then we multiply the bottoms. Then we check to see if we can reduce that fraction. And I don't think we can, so we're going to keep it. So I'm going to rewrite it so it looks like fractions. I keep the first one. I change it to multiplication. I flip the second one. 2 times 15 is 30. But because there was a negative sign, it's negative 30 over 5 times 1, which is 5. Then I look to see if I can reduce this fraction. Negative 30 divided by 5 is negative 6. So I'm going to keep this first fraction, change it to multiplication, and then flip the second fraction. Then I have negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6. And then 5 times negative 1, which is negative 5. I have two negatives in the same fraction, so that's going to change to a positive because two negatives make a positive. So I've been saying keep, change, flip. I've seen some other teachers call it keep, flip, change, which is the same idea, but it spells out KFC, which makes it easier to remember. So 1/2 divided by 3/5. I'm going to keep the 1/2, flip the next fraction, and then change to multiplication, and then multiply. As always, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.